Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best freestanding tubs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ariel Platinum AM128JDCLZ Whirlpool Bathtub. You are sure to forget all the stress as you take a dip into this bathtub. This product has become #1 choice of the potential audience owing to the thoughtful design. It is composed of premium acrylic, which adds to its durability. Likewise, it offers resistance against heat as well as other damage like fading, chipping, cracking. Because of the presence of the fiberglass reinforcement, it is matchless in imparting an energizing bath experience for a prolonged period. Moreover, it boasts of ergonomic design and oval shape, which is capable of cradling the bather comfortably. Furthermore, it supports the body while stretching for the prerequisite repose to seek a relaxing and deep soak. It is considered to be the perfect combination of function and form. It is equipped with the overflow drainage and advanced bath waste, which is beneficial in preventing the pouring of water into the floor. Apart from this, it includes the drain fixtures, which play an integral role in draining the water without causing any sort of clogging problems. Again, it features an advanced hydro massage system which is useful in targeting the pressure points, to confer a relaxing experience. Other than this freestanding tub includes 6 water flow settings and 14 acupressure water jets, which ensure customized water action, catering to your needs. The waterfall faucet of this product has an elegant design that is capable of filling the tub with a flow rate of 3.7 gallons of water every minute. Also, it has a 1.5 HP motor, which offers the prerequisite power for the effective operation of the unit. The ready-made LED chemotherapy lighting of this product stands out of the ordinary in offering an immersive bathing environment in different colors. You can also listen to your favorite track with the Bluetooth technology, touch-screen keyboard, and onboard FM radio. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cordelia UB114-6730 freestanding acrylic bathtub. It contributes to being a spacious freestanding bathtub that is capable of holding almost 68 gallons of water. It comes with durable acrylic, which can be strengthened with the aid of the structural fiberglass. Apart from this, it possesses an ultra-smooth surface that is capable of retaining the feet. It is loved owing to the hassle-free maintenance and cleaning, which offer everlasting reliability. Also, it features a stainless steel frame that offers stronger support to its structure. The concealed foot pegs of this product confer firm body placement for avoiding all sorts of slip-ups. The chrome pop-up drain can remove the additional water excessively as you complete the bath. The closed lid, which is included with this product, ensures that pebbles, hair, and other bath waste elements are not stuck in the bathtub's drain hole. Also, it includes the drainage system boasts of anti-leak properties that can resist the blockage. Again, the overflow drainage fixture of this bathtub stands second to none in preventing any spill, as the product is filled. Hence, it plays an integral role in preventing the wastage of water. As it comes with a warranty of 2 years, you do not need to worry about the replacement of the product anytime soon. At number 3, we have the Akdy 63 inches modern black acrylic freestanding bathtub. This freestanding bathtub stands in limelight in providing a sophisticated look to the restroom. You are sure to enjoy a spa-like bathing experience by choosing this product. It is composed of acrylic along with the reinforced fiberglass, which stands second to none in standing the test of time. Again, the glossy acrylic surface of this product facilitates ease of cleaning. It does not comprise of any paint, and hence it helps preserve the brilliance for several years. One of the most prominent reasons why this tub has become the most preferred choice of end users is because it has high compatibility with the other tub fillers available in the product. The built-in pop drain of this product is useful in saving an ample amount of energy, time, and money. You can confer the minimalistic look to the bathroom by choosing this product. It is equipped with ergonomic features along with elegant curvature, which plays an integral role in boosting the curb appeal of your home. At number 2, we have the FerdY 67 inches freestanding soaking bathtub. This freestanding bathtub is considered to be the perfect combination of simplicity and luxury. It features an ergonomic design that plays an integral role in supporting the body while you stretch out. The gracefully shaped lines of this product play an integral role in complementing a variety of bathroom styles. This freestanding soaking bathtub has become the prime choice of end users owing to the ease of installation. It is equipped with sloped lumbar support, which is beneficial in offering additional comfort while you are taking a bath. Apart from this, the classic overflow feature of this product ensures deep soaking. Also, this bathtub boasts of the acrylic reinforced along with fiberglass material which ensures high durability. People love to choose this product owing to the durable finish and non-toxic material. This product is a class of its own in offering enhanced durability. Moreover, this product includes adjustable leveling feet, which are exquisite in stabilizing the tube to the prerequisite surface. Also, the plastic drain connectors of this product are capable of scaling, almost up to 32 inches. Again, it comes with the anti-sliding gasket, which is capable of preventing any sort of leakage of water. It is capable of adjusting to different requirements of the floor drain. And finally at number 1, we have the Woodbridge Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub. It is one of the leading brands of freestanding bathtubs, which can hold up to 60 gallons. This freestanding bathtub is believed to be an excellent choice for 1 to 2 people. It is built with the aid of the lucite acrylic, which adds to the longevity of the product. The ashland resin, along with fiberglass, was used for reinforcing the product. Also, the chic style and comfort add to the elegance of the product. This product is suitable for a wide assortment of spaces. It has become a popular choice among the end user owing to the budget friendliness. It encompasses sloping lines, just like the natural curves of the body, thereby conferring additional comfort. This freestanding bathtub covers a high-gloss surface, which is resistant to stain and scratch. The bottom of this unit features a stainless steel bracket, which allows it to hold almost 1,000 pounds. As this product boasts of double-walled reinforced design, it is going to confer maximum insulation. This helps in maintaining the prerequisite temperature of the water. Customers have appreciated this unit owing to the design drain and pipe system, which is known to be durable, tough. You do not need to encounter the problems of leakage and cheap drains by buying this product. With the unique functionality and contemporary styling, this product has become the most prominent choice among the targeted audience. Also, this bathtub constitutes pop-up drain and brushed nickel overflow. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.